Hey successful people, this tax strategy will change the game for you just as it did for me when you apply it correctly. All right, I am so excited to share with you guys what I have today, because honestly this is something that everybody needs to know. Every business owner, every W-2 owner, everyone who earns money in the United States needs to know the tax law, because that is how we are taxed, you guys. This is really important. So I'm excited to come up here and show you guys, because a lot of people use this. The rich are using this. That's how come you can see Amazon, huge company like Amazon, paying $0 in taxes legally. That's why you can see a lot of business owners, entrepreneurs who make a lot of money not pay a lot of taxes, because they're applying the tax code legally. So I'm going to tell you guys what is that one tax rule, the one tax loophole that people are using and that you should know too, because definitely this is not talked about a lot, because this is something that is being taken advantage of, and you need to do the same. Because child, when I did it, the game changed for me. All right, so here we go. The first thing you need to understand is that there are two different tax systems in the United States. Okay, there are two different tax systems, and only one of them are advantageous. The other one is not so advantageous. So the first one is the one for employees, those who have W-2s, those who have jobs and get a paycheck every single 2 weeks or every week or whatever the case may be, those who trade in their value for a paycheck or their expertise or whatever the case may be. It is a blessing to have a job. It's a great thing to have a job. It will pay your bills. It will help you out whatever you need to do. It might even be a passion. However, people who have jobs and only jobs only have access to around 1 or 2 paragraphs in a 74,000 plus page tax code. Did you guys hear me? The tax code is around 74,000 pages and more, and people who have just a W-2 job only have access to around 1 or 2 paragraphs in all of those pages. What that should tell you right now is that there are more ways you can handle tax. There are more things you can do with your money when it comes to tax implications when you are something other than a W-2 earner. Like I said, it is a great thing to have a job, okay? I have a job and I'm thankful for it. It is a great thing to have a job, but the thing that I've learned is that it is more advantageous to either also have a side hustle or a side business, or to be a full-time entrepreneur. That is what I want to talk to you guys today. The second system in the tax code is for those who have businesses or trades, entrepreneurs or businesses. That is the other system in the tax code. So the first one was those who get paychecks. The other ones is for those who create the paychecks. When you create a paycheck, or when you have a business where you are putting yourself at risk to provide a service for a profit, guess what? You have access to so much more, and the rest of those 74,000 pages belong to you. That means there are so many tax implications depending on your situation when you have a business, which means, you guys, that there is money to be saved. Okay, there is money to be saved. And the way that you get into the game, okay, the way you become a real player is when you either have a job and a side hustle, or you have a full-time business that you run. That is when you get into the real thing. That is when you get to deduct so many expenses, and that is how you can save a lot of money. Think about it this way. What is your biggest bill? It is your taxes, you guys. Before you even get paid, your taxes are taken out from you. You have literally no chance to look at your gross income, because after you get paid, your taxes have already been taken out. That means that is your biggest bill. You have no control over how much is taken from you when you're a W-2 earner. Now, when you're a business, you get to make money, spend money, and then pay taxes. As an employee, you make money, pay taxes, and then spend your money. And you guys, it is so huge when you understand how much it will lower your tax bill if you have the opportunity to spend the money first before you pay the taxes. Okay, so let's get into the biggest tax loophole, you guys. This changed the game for me. All right, so I want you to go, this is legal, this is the law. Okay, you guys, this is like real stuff. Okay, this is section 162 in the tax code, part A. It says that a business can deduct anything that is ordinary and necessary for their business. What does that mean? So for example, if I am a office supply, right, it is to my best interest to deduct ordinary expenses such as papers, staplers, pens, the supplies that come with my business, right? What else? Maybe my employees' wages, right? Maybe the uniforms that I require my employees to wear. Maybe the counter where you check out, I'm probably gonna buy a scanner for that. Things like that, or ordinary expenses. Now, there are necessary expenses, and that's when it differs, because I could be an office mess and somebody else could have an office supply, right? But we have branded our businesses differently in a way that we have different necessities for our business. So now, for example, if I am someone who is on YouTube and I have branded myself as the lady in red, and I do YouTube videos all about outfits and things like that, but my brand is about red, and I like to you know, show red in different outfits and things like that. Now that is necessary for me as a YouTuber who creates videos on YouTube to have red material for me to create red costumes with it. Somebody else who might be on YouTube, it may be ordinary for them to have a camera, as it is for me. It may be ordinary for them to have a laptop to edit, as just like for me. It might be also ordinary for them to have a tripod or some light equipment for us both to record our videos. However, for me, the lady in red on YouTube, it is necessary for me to also have red apparel that I buy for my YouTube channel, because I have branded myself as such. Are you guys getting the tea? That means that you, as the business owner, gets to choose what is necessary for your business. Nobody else gets to tell you what is necessary for you to make income. And get this, you guys, in the IRS, right, the IRS tax code tells us that in order to be qualified as a business, you just need to be in the pursuit of income, not in abundant income, not as a registered in your state. You just need to be in the pursuit of income. You guys, pursuit means literally looking for, in the active, you know, you're actively trying to do something, not doing the thing. You are trying to do something. Can you guys understand how huge this is? I have one more thing for you. If you made it this far and you are inspired, you are excited, and you want to put this into action, I have a resource for you. It is a step-by-step guide on how to reduce your tax bill and pay less money in taxes using write-offs in the right system, okay? So in this resource, I literally walk you guys through what questions to ask yourself, what forms to file, what to do from here, because I know taxes can get very confusing for a lot of people, and if you don't have the right resources, you may not do it correctly. So you can either take this video and do it yourself, or go in the link down below and grab the resource that I have for you that is going to enable you to do your tax write-offs correctly. So also within this resource, I have a tracker that you can use to track your expenses and income throughout the year, your liabilities and your assets and everything like that. And I also have all of the write-offs that the IRS allows you to take in the tax code, and I talk to you about how to take other write-offs that you deem as necessary for your business the right way. You guys, this is very important to do things ethically and legally. I talked to you guys about how you can lower your tax burden also in that resource. There are just so many good things for you that you want to grab. Down below, go grab it. Do not miss out on this, because this is gonna really help you guys. This is so big, because honestly, a lot of people don't know what they can do if they know the tax law, if they know how to apply it to their business for their advantage. When you guys see these huge companies having really low tax bills, that means they're doing something right, because nobody has gotten arrested from it, right? They are doing the law. They are literally using the tax code and applying it to their situation. So why can't you do the same? You don't have to be Amazon or any huge company in order to take advantage of your rights of being an American citizen who operates and has a business here in America. This is your right to use the law, which is the tax code, okay? When I did it my first year, you guys, I saved $8,000 from taxes from my W-2 job that was taken away from me during the year. That is huge. Like, what would you do with an extra $8,000 in your pocket? And you will have this video resource for a lifetime, and I will continue to add more and more valuable information as I learn, as I apply to my business in there, to keep you guys updated, so you guys will always have the top-notch methods and strategies to use for your taxes. I am way too excited for you, and if you are in that point where you want to start a business, I actually also have a course called the Launch My Biz course, and it walks you through step-by-step how to launch a business online profitably and actually make money. Oh my gosh, you guys, I did not even introduce myself because I was so excited. Okay, my name is Daniela, and I am a wealth and business coach here on YouTube as well as on Instagram, and I love teaching you guys how to maximize your wealth using little known strategies with a little bit of style. Okay, I love style, so I'll be on here with some style videos as well. So you guys go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and also meet me over on Instagram, where I'm a little bit more fun and you see more of my personality on there, and you get obviously a lot more coaching on there as well. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel here on YouTube, and follow me on Instagram, and DM me, let me know you came from this video, and I will be so excited to show you some love. So see you guys next time. Remember to share this video and pay your taxes, but do it the right way so you save some money. Okay, see you guys next time.